Hello and welcome to Anatomy with Amanda. Today we are going to be discussing the bones or the skeletal system. Did you know that as a baby we have more bones than we do as an adult? I don't know how that's possible. Well, as a baby we have about 300 bones, but over time some of these bones will grow and fuse together to form stronger bones, and as an adult we have 206 bones. What's the purpose of bones? Well, they are going to protect our organs. So as you can see in this picture, we have our skull. This is going to protect our brain, which is very, very, very important. We also have our ribs and our rib cage. This is going to protect our heart, which pumps blood to our body, and our lungs, which are going to help us breathe in and out. It also helps keep us upright. If we didn't have any bones, we would just be a big blob of jelly. Speaking of jelly, some animals don't have bones at all, such as jellyfish, or insects, or even starfish and lobsters don't have bones. These animals are called invertebrate, which means they do not have a vertebrae. A vertebrae is our spine or backbone. We do have a vertebrae, so we have our spine, which is very important to keep us upright instead of slouched over. Now, over half of these bones are in our hands and our feet. That is a lot. That is about 100 bones in our hands and feet alone. The biggest bone in our body is the femur. The femur is located in our thigh. You can see here in yellow. It's very long and very strong. The smallest bone in our body is called the scapes. This bone is located inside our ear. We aren't able to see it. Now, if we want to keep our bones nice and strong and nice and healthy, we're going to need to do a few things first. One, we need to get some sunlight. The sun will radiate vitamin D, which is very important to help our bones grow nice and strong. Two, we need to get some exercise. If you exercise outside, that's great because you're doing 2 in 1. 3, we need to eat some foods that contain a lot of calcium and vitamin D. Some of these foods include broccoli. I know no one likes broccoli, but there are some other options. We have dairy products. If you don't consume dairy products, there's also soy milk and oat milk. Some other options include leafy greens, eggs, tofu, sesame seeds, dried fruit, nuts, and bread. Thank you for watching. I hope that everyone learned something new. And if you're interested in learning more on the bones and the skeletal system, you can check out Cloud Library and Hoopla. See you next time. Bye-bye.